Build your life, do it yourself. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a healthy Kroger grocery haul for you. So if you're interested, please keep watching. This is a family grocery haul for a family of 4. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. So the first thing I have is just some Sunbeam whole grain white bread. Just 1 loaf of that. I have the Flintstones vitamins with iron for my kids. I have these Kroger 100% pure beef burgers. I got a stalk of celery, 1 bunch of bok choy. We like bok choy, but mostly this is for the bearded dragon. I got some broccoli, fresh broccoli. Got lots of greens. And then I got some kale. Okay, I got some 2% reduced fat milk, some unsweetened tea. I got 2 of these packages of the fully cooked traditional bacon. They have 10 slices per pack. I got 2 18 packs of eggs. I got this Kroger sparkling water beverage. Okay, I got some more stuff. I got these Enlightened Keto ice cream bars. This is 0 added sugar, 1 gram of net carbs. Got a package of baby carrots. This is a green bell pepper. Got a package of shredded lettuce for tacos. Okay, I got a package of the Driscoll's strawberries, fresh strawberries. Got Kroger brand baby spring mix, salad mix. Got a package of the Texas toast and garlic toast. Got some bananas. You get some garbage bags. Got tall kitchen garbage bags, 40 bags. I got 2 of these microwave cheese pizzas, the 3-minute pizzas. Got some lemonade. Got 1% low-fat chocolate milk, a half gallon. Got a can of Pringles, just the plain ones. Got the Go-Go Squeeze yogurts, strawberry low-fat yogurt. Okay, I got more stuff. Got a package, 1 pound of bacon, the Kroger thick cut bacon. I got 2 packages of the Kroger traditional sausage links for breakfast sausage. Got the Oscar Mayer Deli Fresh oven roasted turkey breast. Got fajita seasoning mix. Got a package of American cheese slices. Got 1 pound of ground beef, 80% lean. Got a package of the Mexican style blend shredded cheese. I got a 32-ounce bag of the mild cheddar shredded cheese. I got my low-carb tortilla wraps and La Banderita. carb counter wraps. Got 2 Roma tomatoes. I got some of my Carb Master Kroger brand low carb yogurts. Low carb and low fat. This is keto friendly. Got a package of the roasted salted peanuts in the shells. Got 1 package of Gala apples. You got Coke Zero, 2 liter. Got a box of spaghetti. Hey, even more stuff. I got some Chef Boyardee beefaroni. These are the microwavable containers. 2 beefaronis. Got a bag of white onions. Got some cayenne pepper, ground cayenne pepper. Got a box of these chewy chocolate chip granola bars. It's an 18 pack. 100% whole grains. Got a package of diapers, Kroger brand, or not Kroger brand, the Love's diapers. Got the kids their squeeze applesauce. 2 different kinds. The strawberry and cinnamon applesauce is a 24 pack. I got 2 liters of Diet Coke. They had the 2 liters, 3 for $5. I got a pack of Nutri-Grain, a multi-variety pack, Nutri-Grain bars. Okay, I think that's everything that I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Take care. Have a great day.